So over here with the string puppetries. If you come to Chengdu, please visit this museum. First of all, it's free. Secondly, there are so many exhibits. Total of 6 floors. But the 6th floor is a cafe, so explore from the 5th floor all the way to the basement. Look at the guns used. Guess what I found? 2 pandas in the corner. I mean in front. Actually 4 in fact. 2 red pandas and 2 giant pandas. If you come to Chengdu, please visit the Panda Sanctuary. It's an eye-opener for the first time if you're opening. If you're going there, but I've been there 1 time. I'm going back another 2 or 3 times. Greetings from Chengdu, China. I'm today at the Chengdu Museum. So let's explore this in the downtown of the Chengdu, nearest metro station will be the Tianfu Square. So I'm inside the museum right now, and outside they sell some souvenirs, and this is official entry. Let's go. At level 5 now, there is a puppetry session. Wow. Oh, look at this. This is the group puppetry. Interesting. And now I feel like watching a live show. You have it at the Jingli or the Guangzai Shangzai. It's a narrow and wide alley. A food in Sichuan. Amazing. China, 1944. Big ship. Heading to the last exhibition hall, man, and nature, the basement 1 level. Just realized a mini zoo, right? The camel, the horse, the water ball, even a dog and chicken. There's a fur exhibit as well. Black bear, mink, saltwater crocodile, Burmese python, Chinese pond turtle. The shop selling panda stuff before the way exit. It's a good visit today. I hope you get a good viewing experience as well. Remember, it's 5 PM closing time. There's actually a small cafe here, and they sell some kind of ice cream here. They call behiring, a burring, a whirl. This AP or civilization is the paid entry, so we just look at the figures from here. So let's apply 60 yuan or 60 Chinese renminbi per person. If you buy 2 persons, tickets will be $100. They can take some photos, and then they'll give you some styles like the costumes, warrior, and even an astronaut. There's a beautiful temple right here. You can take some photos and some street food inside the museum. Top floor, level 6. There's a tea house and an art exhibition right here at the corner.